Howdy. I'd like to introduce you to my little friend. This here's Timmy. Timmy's my tumble buddy. What's your deal, Timmy? Timmy here's a tumbleweed, and this is his natural habitat. Tumbleweeds are usually found out here in the West, where it's dry, flat, and windy. But where do they come from? And why are they out here just rolling around all lonely, sad?
Rollin', 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 rollin'.
To tell the story of my tumble buddy, we're gonna have to go all the way back to where he started. Before he set out on his own, this guy started life as a Russian thistle. Russian thistle, or Salsola tragus, is a kind of flowering plant. They don't make very pretty flowers. Sorry, buddy. But they do serve a very important purpose. Those flowers hold the key to my buddy's future. That's right, those are reproductive organs. That's where baby plants come from.
Ow!
Technically, flowering plants are called angiosperms. That comes from the Greek words for case and seed, because these kind of plants produce a seed that's inside of a casing. Plants like the Russian thistle form seeds inside of very small flowers. The next step in the life of a plant is to get those seeds out into the world, so they can grow into more plants. Different types of plants do that in different ways. Some produce delicious fruits with seeds on the inside. Some plants make seeds that get carried away by the water. Some plants have seeds that hitch a ride on animals or get eaten by birds and then pooped. And some plants produce seeds that get carried away on the wind, like dandelions. The Russian thistle and some plants like it have a unique way of using the wind. For them, when the seeds are fully developed, the rest of the plant dies. No! After the plant dies, it dries out. Eventually, it's dry enough to where the wind can break the top part free. That's you, buddy. But you're more than just a pile of dead sticks, Timmy. I mean, your leaves and flowers might all be dead, but the seeds are still alive, and they're hitching a ride. As the wind blows the lonely tumbleweed across the wild frontier, it's actually spreading its seeds. The reason tumbleweeds tumble is to make tumble babies. It's the circle of life. Russian thistles aren't the only plant that use this method to reproduce. There's also the white amaranth, the tumble mustard, and the winged pigweed. In Australia, they have a type of plant called hairy panic. It's a type of grass that forms seed spikes that get carried away by the wind. Good on you there, Harry! But you're still my favorite tumble buddy. Come on, you've got work to do. Let's go.